Hello, everybody. I be switching cars. So I'm in my daughter's car. Look at her back seat. Junky, honey, like mine. I have boxes. Those boxes are my man's headlights. I haven't took them to the storage. He told me to take them things to the storage months ago, last winter actually, and they still in the back of my car. I have a third row seat in the back of my car, and I don't use it. So my kids are grown. I only use the two in the back, and I just put his stuff back there, and I put my groceries back there, and I haven't took his boxes. But she have clothes in the back of her car. This video is about, and I'm trying to keep it under 5 minutes. My homegirl just told me, the one that worked with Arise, she's an IBO as well. And I was asking her, was she still servicing for Arise? I know she's an IBO. She was like, no, I don't service for Arise. I'm doing more like delivery work because I want to get out the house. So if you're not a homebody and you actually like to drive, DoorDash is a great company. They're currently hiring. I know they're hiring because I just set up a profile. I wanted to go through the process before I actually recommended the company. You do a W-10, W-9. I did a W-9. And you can either do a sole proprietor or LLC partnership. So you're a contractor, and I believe they report your earnings. So you're going to get a tax form, and you're going to have to enter in your social security number. You do have to have a valid driver's license, and they do check your background. So if you pretty much meet all of that criteria, DoorDash is a great company to get started. She was actually, when me and her were talking a few moments ago before I did my profile, like I just found out about this company an hour ago. I set up a profile myself. They ran my background. They told me that they're going to send me out like a dash. It's like a warmer to keep the food warm. And they give you like a debit card. I don't know what else that means yet, but I'm in the process of waiting on my equipment to be delivered in 4 days. So if you sign up today, you can be working for DoorDash in 4 days. It's not like Uber. I think Uber, you have to actually provide information about your car, because she said what she doing is she rent a car. She said in her area, the cars are like $40. Now in my area, I can get a rental for like $14 a day. Now it's a compact small car, but I mean, you're doing this to deliver. And she said she make well over the $40 a day to compensate for the rental because her car is in the shop. So just another suggestion on how to make some extra money. That is one. She just told me about it. And the process went smooth. You can do it on your phone, you guys. I did this. I was talking to her while out driving, because for some reason I'm always having somewhere to go. Not at the gym today. But while I was riding, she told me about it. And I decided to let her go. I told her, well, girl, I'm going to let you go, because I wanted to see what the process was. I did everything from my phone, and my background was approved within like 2 or 3 minutes. And the equipment is being shipped. I did all of this literally in like an hour. Like I found out about it, signed up, got approved. Going to be working in 4 days if that's what I want to do. So that's easier than talking on the phone. So if you have a car or you have access to a vehicle and you want to do DoorDash, it's a recommendation. Until next time, you guys, when I find some new opportunities, you guys will be the first to know always. And I usually try to set up the profile myself before I actually recommend it, to see what the process is about. Talk to you later. You guys enjoy your hump day Wednesday. Bye.